Hey guys, this is Sam down here at Crunchquin. Today I am showcasing a used 2021 Polaris General XP1000 Deluxe. So Deluxe does mean it does have ride command. On the front here, it does come with your front bumper and your front Polaris winch. This unit is that nice gray color. It does have your Pro Armor tires, LED lights, everything like that. This is your antenna for your ride command. Does have a glass windshield, poly sport roof. On the inside, it has those awesome bucket seats. In the center there, you can see the ride command. It does have your GPS, navigation, everything like that. You can also play music straight from your phone. You do have 4 speakers. What's nice about the Polaris General is it's kind of like your half and half, so it's half sport, half utility. Reason number one why I love this machine: does have a dumpable bed if you want to use it around the house or anything like that. Hauling around wood, you can always use this machine. It also does have that rear hitch receiver, everything like that. So we do have this unit in stock. It does have just over 3,000 miles. Very clean machine, but we do have this in stock. So come down to Crunchquin and check it out and take home this unit today.